Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
The Learn, Develop, Live podcast brings you another 1 minute of motivation, and here is your quote for today. People can change until they take their last breath. No matter what you've done, there is always a chance to change. Okay, so depending on how bad it was in the first place will determine how easy it is to clean up the mess and make right the wrongs, but at least you can have a go and see how far you get. Try to become the very best version of yourself, and opinions will change along with your own.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.